So you can see from here we're replacing some rotten beams on a porch ceiling. Come in for a closer look.
You can nail those on if you want. Wow, hang on.
Cistern in.
I just want to see it
Beam. Good work. So we're at this point now. We had rot in that post that we had to fix. We're gonna come across with another band board. This is getting a piece of trim. So that's 30 years older than this, so patterns don't line up. That's gonna get a piece of quarter round to match the rest of the house. And yeah, we're closing in on the end here. Just got a little bit of Bondo up top, filling in. But other than that, I wanted to show the 500 something viewers that watched the last video how this came out. Look at that. We put this in and then put one over there to match. Fucking gorgeous. So today we're doing rot repair. We're supposed to just do a couple pieces of siding and the window trim, but it's kind of how rot repair goes. Now we're gonna have to replace a bunch of shit. Fun. So here's what it looks like all put back together. Trim and siding. Got a painter coming, gonna caulk the gaps and refresh it all, but it's all put back together. So we're doing more rot repair today. We got everything off, tried to start putting it back on, realized everything behind the paper was rotten. So as you see, we've got our new plywood in, got to paper all that, and then we'll put in the baseboards, trim, and new siding. So loads of fun. So we've put everything back together. All replaced. So I'm doing some rot repair. We're re-siding. We're doing over here. And pulled this off. Looks like I'm gonna have to keep going though. I don't think this will hold a nail. Yup. So I had to put in a 2x6, put the plywood back over it, paper it, put the water board in, trim it all out, and then side it. Now it's all done. It looks a lot better, doesn't it? Today we're doing some rot repair. You can see it's some of those are done. There. Place a couple boards over here. Just a little bit of rot repair for the day. So these are all shiplap boards. We're replacing them with PVC trim on the bottom, help prevent rot. It's real important you take the nails out instead of just prying on this stuff, because you'll break the bottom lip of the board above it. You can see there's a lip back there that this fits into. So that's the process we're at now. Hammer and cat's paw pulling nails out. Now we have all the boards pulled off of this side. He's just pulling boards on the other side now. So it still needs paint, but it's got caulking and plugs in the PVC trim there. Drip cap. I didn't choose to put it smooth side out. There it is. Done. So if you guys saw the last video, the rot repair shiplap siding, here's what it looks like now that we're all done. Got it all painted. There we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. I'll relate it to this one. Let me know what you think in the comments. And then I'll see you on this whole back wall. What I'm working on at the moment is these two deck boards. That pressure treated right there because that whole column has to be replaced. And there's some rotten sheathing boards. So we're gonna get to all of that. Stay tuned. So they never put flashing at the base of the wall. Remove the pillar here. They do have blue board under the deck though. Probably helps with the frost. Everything's put back in. Just gotta add the insulation. Drywall guys are downstairs putting drywall back on, so good to go. Alright, so now we've got all that insulated, ready for the drywallers. Our work here is done. That's what it looks like on the outside at the moment.